Hi everyone, today's Friday's Answered question is related to a slide I often present, so I should explain that first. I show a slide with a table on it that says what people who talk about digital transformation and then what they really mean. Gets a bit of a laugh and a lot of people nodding along because the main point of that slide is to say that no one agrees on the definition of digital transformation, and if everyone is talking about it at a meeting, no one is actually agreeing with one another because they all have a different idea in their heads, even if they're all nodding along and deciding to embark on this journey together. There is actually no consensus. So the question is, on that slide, I don't talk about the head of HR and what do they mean when they talk about digital transformation, or the CDO, the Chief Digital Officer, what do they mean? And I think for the HR director, for the Chief Digital Officer, for any other kind of role that can exist within the company, when anyone is talking about digital transformation, unless they have, been enlightened about its real definition, really what they mean is just whatever is most directly applicable to their specific role and how their role is measured. And this is where it's really important for people to firstly stop using the term digital transformation because it's very unlikely no one really knows the actual meaning. But secondly, that you stop thinking about transformation in terms of your own individual area, what's under your control, your department, your role, and instead start thinking of it broadly as, why does the company you work for exist? Who is it meant to serve? How can you be better connected with those external audiences? And how can you find different ways of fulfilling that core mission, solving that core problem, which will probably involve not just going outside your department and your role, but going outside your organization as well. But the other thing too is there are a lot of different steps and approaches that you can take for doing this and breaking yourself out of that siloed thinking. So definitely, start reaching out, start learning more, and stop thinking so much about the narrow definition that your role tends to put you in. All right, thank you.